Hello guys, welcome to another session of our training. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design this flyer. This is a business flyer. I'm going to show you how to design it. So just stay connected and follow the step-by-step process that will lead us in designing this flyer. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to click the notification button and like this video. Thank you. So all you need to do is to log into your pixellab app as I've done here. If you don't have the app, you can go on Google Play Store and download the app from there. So after logging in, you have to bring in the flyer we're about to design. So let us go to our gallery and bring in the flyer we will design. So guys, as I earlier showed you, this is the flyer we're designing. So we have to minimize it and keep it up here. For now, let us cancel this text. So the first thing you see there is the background color. You see the background color. So we have to put in this background. So all you need to do now is to go down to the hexagonal shape icon, click on it. Then after that, you choose color. Sorry, we have to go back. So you click at the center of the pixellab. Okay, so go by, click on A. A will show you text and quote. Go by, click on the next one. We give you this. You click on the hexagonal shape element, we give you this. So now you see shapes, you see here written shapes. Click on shapes. You get this shape. You have to change the color of this shape to the color of the one we are seeing over there. So these are the various colors. So if you see this second color, you see that it's kind of similar to this. But if you want to get the exact color on this flyer, click on this plus sign next to these colors. We take you here. You see at the upper part of this circle, you see an icon that is just like a pen. You click on it, it will take you to this page. After that, click on the image that we want to use in designing. So you click on this color, you see that the image has given you, we have had the same color. So you click on that tick and you click OK. So right now you see that we have had the same color. So you click on that tick. So all you need to do now is to expand the color. You expand it to fill the whole screen. But where is our flyer? Where is the flyer that we are looking up to design? It is hidden behind this square image. So all we need to do now is to click here. You see to front, you click to front. Sorry, click to back, so the flyer will come from here. So we have sent the other one behind, and this our flyer has popped up on it. So the next thing I'm seeing there is the white layer that is crossed down. The white layer that is crossed down. So all I need to do now is to go back, is to look for shapes again. This is it here. Here it is written under edit. Written under edit. So if I click on it, you see that it will give us the same image we had. So click X to go back to the original form. So instead of having that one, let us go to the plus sign. We click shapes. We have had a different shape. Now this one is white. It's in white. So all we need to do now is to click OK and enlarge it. Remember, we want to form this white background that we are seeing there. We enlarge it. After we make it to be slant, so we enlarge the edges too, and fix it on the same position as the other one. You have to put it on the same position as the other one. Now I guess it is on the same position as the other one. You need to enlarge this edge again. It is on the same position now like the other one, on the same position. So let us click OK. So let us click here. We go there and we see some keys, some padlocks. Is to close the image that we have had, to close them, to stop them from being mobile. So we have had this. So the next thing now, if you look very well, you will see that image, graphic designing. Actually, it is an image I downloaded from Google. If you want that same image, you can go to Google and type graphic designing images. They will show you this. So I have to go back to my gallery and look for that image I downloaded. Yeah. So I have to go through my downloads and look for that exact image. Let me see if I'll find that image here. Okay, this is the image. This is it. Graphic design. Okay. Take the same image and minimize the image. I put it exactly as it is. So the edge of that image is on this white background. Yeah, have to be exact. Yeah, I think it is exact. Now look at the edges of this image. Look at the edges. If you look very well, let me put it in front. If you look very well, you see that the edges of this image takes the color of that background. I've seen now. Look at the edge of that image. It takes the color of this first background we had. So in order to put in that, look at the margin of the image. Look at the margin. Yeah, it takes the color of that first, like something greenish. Takes the color of that first background. In order to put in that color, we have to go to stroke. Just scroll to these icons and go to stroke. You can see the stroke icon there. You click on it. Yeah, you enable it. So it gives you the same color. So you just click on this color. You increase the stroke to maybe 5. Yeah, something like that. You leave it like that. Yeah, so you see the margin now. It has the same color with the first color that we had. And again, what I'm seeing there again is 5 days online graphic design training. 5 days online graphic design training. That's a text, but we won't go there. That should be the last we'll be doing. Again, look on where that 5,000 francs is. It's on a circle. Yeah, it's on a circle, and a circle is kind of 3D. So let us put in place that circle first. We go to our shapes. Yeah, we go to more shapes. We click on that circle. Try to minimize and put here. You see that circle is blue. Yeah, it's blue in color. So we go to color. We choose blue. Choose that same color. You want to choose that same color, you hit the plus icon. Yeah, you go to this pen icon. Choose the image. Yeah, please focus this on the blue. So you see that there we have blue. You just tick OK. Okay, now we have that same blue color. Click OK. But look at the color again. Look at the surface of a color. It's like reflecting light. How can we do that? That one is called emboss. Emboss. It's called emboss. So we go to the emboss icon. This is it here. Click on it. You emboss. Yeah. You rotate it to your own desired angle that you want. I think we should leave it there. Yeah, we have embossed the image now. So all we need to do now is to keep it from being mobile. Yeah, you close it. So it cannot be mobile. Now look above that that circle. You will see something like a square, a rectangular image. Yeah, something like a rectangular block. In fact, we are not done with this circle. If you look at the circle, you see that it has something like a shadow. So let us unlock it and continue with it. Something like a shadow. It has something like a shadow. So we go to the shadow icon. Somewhere around here, you click on it. This is it, shadow. You enable it. Yeah. See, we have enabled the shadow. Yeah, so we are done with it. So if you look above it, we see something like a rectangular block. Let us put that one too. Just see. You see something like a rectangular block above that circle. Let us put that one too. So all we need to do now is to go again to our shapes. Choose shapes. Yeah, I transform this square into a rectangle. Yeah. So you change the color of it. Choose that same color. Press OK. But if you look at it very well, it's like, let us minimize it. It's too big. If you take a close look at it, you see that it's kind of like a block-like nature, kind of like a block. So all we need to do is to emboss it again. We emboss it. Yeah, we have brought in the real structure now. Yeah, so you rotate to fit your own intensity of light that you want. So that is how it looks like. The block nature has come out. Okay. Again, what do we have here again? If you look at the bottom of that image, you will see that the bottom of that image has the same color. Yeah, the bottom where it is written WhatsApp me at, you see that it has the same color as that of the first image, that greenish color. I don't know if that is really green, but it has the same color. So all we need to do now is to put in that same image that we had at the beginning, that same image. We go back to our shapes. Yeah, transform it into a rectangle, try to enlarge it, put in that same color. Okay, bring it down, we enlarge it. Yeah, put it here. See that the thing is really coming out. So that is it. And what again you will see what you will learn. If you look at very well, you see what you will learn in, a circle, a rectangular circle. Let me put it that way, a rectangular circle format. What you will learn. Let us put that rectangular circle background. That background that is just like a rectangular circle. Let us put it. So all you need to do is to go back to your shapes, and from here you see that this square will pop up. And if you look down, you see radius. So try to increase the radius. Put the radius at 100%. Click OK. Yeah. You go to color. Change the color to that same color we are using. And now you try to enlarge it. Yeah, try to enlarge the edges. Yeah, enlarge the edges. Let me put it this way. You see that even though it's not exact, but it's something like that. Or we go back to edit. Yeah, we try to reduce the radius a bit. Let us put it at 80 and see. Put it at 80. We have something like that. Yeah, let's leave it that way. Even though it's not exact, but it's just something like that. Let's leave it that way. So all we need to do now is to input the text. So you go to A, click text. You can what you will learn. You edit the text. Erase this, so I put what you will learn. What you will learn. Click OK. Change the color to blue. Change the color to blue. You can here see size. You use the size of the image. Use the size of the image. What you will learn. Yeah, I think that was okay. Again, you see 5 days online. First of all, you type 5 days. 5 days. Yeah, put it somewhere here. Change the font. Go here, see fonts. Yeah, I think the font used here is Coproom Regular. You can see on the screen, Coproom Regular. Click on that one. Coproom Regular. Click OK. Yeah, I think that's the font used there. That days is in capital letters. You edit it, you put the days in capital letters, put everything in capital letters. Yeah. So you try to minimize, you reduce the size too. Reduce the size. Okay, you are getting there gradually. And the next one is online. Or in capital letters, and you change the color to blue. The font uses still couple regular. Couple regular, and you highlight it. Here you see style, click on style. You see bold, B stands for bold, click on it. It has been highlighted. Or let us use meme font. You see meme font here, click on it. I think that's the font we use there. Online, so we put it directly under these 5 days. Even though the letter is not bold as that on the flyer, but let us choose the one on the flyer. Go to color. Let's see if we can choose the color on the flyer. So we try to choose this blue color and see. Okay, that's it now. Exactly. I've choose the blue color. Okay, so the next one is graphic design. Go to your text, input graphic design. Graphics design. Put in bold, capital letters. It's rather graphic design, not graphic design. ING. You put it in bold. Change the font to meme font. You reduce the size. You're getting there gradually. Okay, graphic designing. And again, as you can see there, the next one is training. Make it to be bold. Put the right font. Change the color. Thick blue, I think so. Thick blue. So align it very well. You reduce the size. Put it somewhere around 35. So that's it. So if you can see, the next thing to be done here is to put in what you will learn, to put in the various things that we're learning. First of all, let us put in the 5,000 francs. 5,000 francs. This 5,000 francs. The text, the font there is, I think it's Abri. The third one, Abri. Fat face, regular. I think that's the font. That should be it. We'll put it there. So next thing, input what you will learn. The various things we learn in the first one is removing image background. First of all, we'll put in this. Removing image background. The second one is making posters and flyers with your Android phone. Making posters and flyers with your, let us put this your inside. With your Android phone. Okay, what was the next one? designing logos with your Android phone. That's the next one. Designing logos with your Android phone. Yeah, so let us put Android phone inside. Okay, you're good to go now. So all you need to do now is to change the font. Use Coprum regular. Yeah, this is better that way now. Do any logos with your Android phone? Yeah, so we have to minimize it. Minimize or reduce the size. You reduce the size. You change the color to black. Change color to black. Oh, you see that it's not really bold. So all we need to do now is to make it to be bold. Yeah, again, let us change the font and use Meme font, since Meme font makes text to be bold. I think this is better. This kind of bold now. It's kind of bold. Yeah. So what's the next thing to be done now? So put in the oops, sorry, I've displaced that one. Let me put it back and close all the ones we have made so that they will not be mobile. Yeah, I think only this now is mobile. Let me put it in front. Only this one is mobile. So the next thing to do is to put in the logo of Digiven Enterprise. Go to gallery, put in the logo of Digiven Enterprise. Look for the logo of Digiven Enterprise. Oops, the logo of the Digiven Enterprise have been changed. This is what we use now. Yeah, this is what we use as our logo now. You can see DE there. So this is what we use as our logo. Yeah. So use this as our logo. Put it here. As you can see, you say Digiven Enterprise presents. So that's what we are going to type there. Digiven Enterprise. Yeah, we reduce the size. Reduce the size. We align it. You see position there, you align the position. Yeah. So you put present down. Present. Yeah. So the fonts used for presents there is, the color used for presents there is blue. You use blue. And also you see that present, if you look very well, the present is kind of expanded. Yeah. It's kind of stretched. Present. So in order to stretch it, to expand the letters, you come to spacing. You see spacing. You see letter and words. Yeah. So letters have been highlighted. So increase. You increase. Yeah. Press OK. Also change the fonts. Change the fonts. Let us use Coprum regular. Coprum regular. Yeah, I think it's okay like that. See that the Digiven Enterprise are all in capital letters. You look very well here. They are all in capital letters. So I have to put these ones too in capital letters. Yeah, and again you see something like a shadow there for the Digiven Enterprise. Let me align it let me align the Venn Enterprise. I go to position, try to align it. Yeah, see that they are in shadows. They have this kind of placed in shadow, so I have to put a shadow there. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah, we are getting there gradually. And if you look again, look under WhatsApp me at. I think that's the last thing I'll be doing. WhatsApp me at +237683672 Yeah, I think that is it. Just have to stretch this, choose the font, Coprine regular. The reason why I'm using Coprine regular because Coprine regular makes the image to become smaller so they can easily fit there. Yeah, and it gives the image good shape too. Give the text good shape. So we reduce the size. Yeah, we reduce the size. So in order to make it to align at the center, you come to relative position. Choose this one. We align the text at the center. Yeah, so since we are done, we can now delete this one. So we have seen that we have just reproduced the same flyer that we saw. Yeah, so all I need from you now is to reproduce the same flyer. I will give you all these things. I will give you my logo. I will give you this text that you see here, this graphic design image, so that you reproduce the same flyer and send to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.